Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Now, today we're going to be making a carrot cake. So, a recipe for carrot cake is originated from the 1500s to 1600s and using carrots for the natural sweetness in a cake in a time when the sugar wasn't abundantly available. In today's modern age, we'll be using sugar for this recipe, of course. But what makes carrot cake really great is how versatile it is. I'll be making a carrot and walnut cake, but there's no reason why you couldn't make a carrot and pecan cake or a carrot and pistachio cake, for example. Change out those nuts or just take them out entirely. But you can also experiment with the spicing for the dish. I really love this recipe using cinnamon, some mixed spice and a little bit of nutmeg as well. But there's no reason why you can't play with the levels of those spicings or add some ginger, some vanilla, just to bring your own spin and your own dimension to the dish as well. So let's get right into this recipe. We're going to start, like any bake, by greasing our tins and by preheating our oven to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we've got two 9-inch springform pans. Just going to grease this. Next we've got some parchment paper, cut into little circles, pop these out of the way. Okay, for the next step, half teaspoon bicarbonate soda, 250 grams of cake flour. Next we're going to add our cinnamon, so you've got a teaspoon and a half. Next we have half a teaspoon of mixed spice, and we're just going to grate in some fresh nutmeg. So just dry mix these, a little pinch of salt, and that's ready to go. Next, we're going to make our wet mix. So we have 200 grams of dark brown sugar and 200 grams of caster sugar. So to this, we're just going to add our eggs. Let's grab our whisk and get this in. I'm just going to incorporate our vegetable oil, so we've got 295 grams. Let's mix in our dry mix of ingredients. Next we'll incorporate our carrots and our chopped walnuts. Okay, so we'll just get these batters which are lined. So no carrot cake can be complete without your cream cheese icing. So we've got 100 grams of unsalted butter and 600 grams of icing sugar. So we just need to beat this until we get a sandy texture. Grams of full fat cream cheese. To this mixture, we're just going to add a little bit of vanilla bean paste, some orange zest, finish, squeeze of orange juice,